I didn't believe that snow could be that soft and essentially that dry from when you get up.
Yesterday I stayed up until 2 AM to see the Northern Lights while watching Sex Education on Netflix, which by the way is a really good TV series. Yeah, so didn't see any, which is a bit of a shame. To be honest, I wasn't expecting to see the Northern Lights yesterday because it was so windy and so cloudy, but today is my last and final night. I've been saying to myself that I'm definitely going to try the hot tub, but I've just never got round to doing it because the weather hasn't permitted. But today, I don't care what the weather looks like, I'm going to definitely turn it on. And while in the hot tub, I hope to see the Northern Lights. But anyway, for today's plan, I'm going to be going to the southern portion of Iceland. There's a particular area concentrated with many beautiful sights that I want to go see. But it's going to take me 2 hours to get to the location that I want to get to. It's actually looking really good outside right now. There is literally no wind.
I don't know which way to turn. South, probably left. So the first location on the list is this waterfall behind me called Landfoss. It stands at 65 meters tall and it's a waterfall that you can spectate from all angles, including behind. Unfortunately, the footpath that goes all the way around behind the waterfall is closed during the winter months. As you can see, it's way too icy and unsafe to go around. Okay, time to move on to the second location. The glasses are all condensed. Second location on the list is Skogafus, which is another waterfall. It stands at 62 meters tall and compared to the previous waterfall, a lot more volume of water flows over it. I'm not going to attempt to stand as close as those people are over there. I don't want to get myself wet in this weather. The water that's coming off from the impact with the ground can literally be felt from here. This is as close as I'm gonna get. I don't want to be any closer to it. Right, time to get something to eat. Burger and chips. Oh. I can't help but think this picture is somehow foreshadowing to possibly seeing the Northern Lights later on this evening. But I've got my expectations really, really low. Oi. So third location on the list is this plane wreck that happened here in 1973. We are here. Plane wreck is here. 1 hour walk. Oh my god. And that's just one way. Because it's an hour in that direction and an hour back, it's going to cost me 2 hours of time. And the time is roughly around about 2:30, 3 o'clock. So I've only got another 2.5 hours of daylight. You can get a shuttle bus, but it costs around about 28 quid there and back, which I think is not worth it. So I'm going to attempt to fly the Mavic Mini over there and see how far it goes and bring it back. 4 kilometers. I don't know if it can do 4 kilometers. I don't think it can, you know. I can use my Mavic Pro, which for sure can go 4 kilometers, but the only problem is I've used up 2 of my free batteries. Let's do it. Here goes nothing. I'm flying this thing pretty goddamn fast. We're about 420 meters right now. 1,000. Gonna slightly adjust the angle there. Signal still looking good. We're at 1,500 meters now. We'll keep going. There's some people on the floor there, just gonna tilt the gimbal down. Oh, don't know what that shake was. But now we're at almost 2,000 meters. 2.1k. Oh, the bars are starting to come down. I've got 3 out of 5 signal bars. We're at 2.4 km now, with 81% battery. 3 kilometers. Oh, I think I see the bus. I think that's it there. But where the airplane is, I can't. Oh, right there. I found it. We got it. There it is. Wow. I can't believe this. 3.458 kilometers. And I've still got 73% battery. That is amazing. Can't go too low. Otherwise I lose signal. Look at that. That is incredible. Hello? Hello? What the fuck? I'm getting a notification saying the remaining battery is only enough for return home. Return home now. We're on 52%. I'm going to try and direct this drone in the direction to which I am. Okay, we're going back. Yes. I seem to be following the shortest trajectory to where I am. Come on. Follow this trajectory, boy. It looks like a perfect trajectory at the moment. Weak transmission signal. Oh god. No, cancel. Not sure why the signal just cut out there, but I've cancelled the return to home function. So we're past halfway, and we've still got 35% battery. Any second now I should be able to hear it. 100? With only 25% battery left. 25% battery left. That was wicked. If you think about it, I just saved myself £28, 2 hours of walking, and was able to get some amazing footage. That is crazy. Now, time to get out of here. Off to the next location. Woo! I don't know why I feel tired. Ah, I know why. It's because I was kneeling down for a good 20-25 minutes. Second from last location on today's expedition is the black sand beach and the salt columns. Here we go. Alright, so we just pulled up on the side of the road because there's so much snow. And I haven't done a proper snow angel. Gonna do one now. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Amazing! Whoa! You don't understand how deep the snow is. Damn, that was quite the experience. I didn't believe that snow could be that soft and essentially that dry from when you get up. Like, my legs are completely dry here. Whew. Wow, the waves are absolutely huge. I've never seen waves so big. Oh, it's Black Sand Beach and the columns over there. The stones from this point on are wet. The waves must have crashed up all the way down here. Yo! That is insane! I've never seen waves so big in my life. Look at it! Look at it! Oh, that's gonna come crashing in. Whoa! Yo, that's going on. Chilling right now. It's actually really tranquil sitting up there, watching the waves crash by the shore with this beautiful sunset. My shoes are full of black sand. Yeah, I've decided this is the final location on the list. So I'm gonna drive back home after I've finished this wonderful cheesecake. Just stop the car and look at this view. The reflection of the sky is so clear. Also, not only that, I have no idea why there's so many women's bras hanged on the side of the fence. Okay, so what does it say here? Jets, lights. Okay, turn on lights. Yo! Turn on the jets as well. Oh, jacuzzi. Oh yeah. Yo, this is so good. Time to jump in. Oh, oh. Well, saw the Northern Lights in the end, didn't I? Also, it's my last night here in Iceland, so it couldn't have got any better. Mission accomplished. I came here for the Northern Lights, I saw the Northern Lights, and I took pictures of the Northern Lights. Time to go to bed.